Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nala Mari from Best RV in Torla, California. Today we're presenting to you the nice Sierra 40 duplex. It gives you the 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom on a nice destination trailers. As soon as we enter in, we have a nice living room. As you see, it comes with a beautiful theater seating facing the TV and the fireplace and nice cup holders. Across from it, we have a nice entertainment centers with a fireplace. It has a hidden pantry, as you see here, and it comes with the Dyson vacuums, and it has the light with sensors. So it has the Dyson vacuum system, nice pantry, nice shelves, and the Sierra 40 duplex. A nice solid surface countertop with the extension countertop, one-piece sink with the rice faucets, a lot of kitchen doors. Now I love the nice kitchens. You have the nice residential 3-burner range with the oven and a cooking pan tray doors. As you see, we have a full set of doors on the right side and the left side of the oven. We have a 4-door refrigerators, as you see, and across from it we have a nice dinette table with 4 chair, as well a wireless charger with the USB port right here. And as you see, it has the nice waterfall countertop. The beauty about the 40 duplex is a 2-bedroom, 2 loft, 2 bathroom. As you see, we have a big loft over the bedroom and the bathroom in the front, and this loft has a storage on both sides, as well could sleep up to 3 adults, 2 away in the back and 1 in the center. And that's in the loft bed over the bedroom and the bathroom in the front. Nice bedroom with a lot of closet and storage and windows, as you see in the front. And from that bedroom we have a beautiful bathroom here, and you could stand in the showers in the bathroom. Look how big the bathroom. It has a seat area for the bathroom, sink, medicine cabinet, glass shower door, porcelain toilet. So this is the front section of the 40 duplex. So the 40 duplex, you need to always remember, has 2 sets. 1 set in the front bedroom and a loft and a bathroom, and that sleep easy right there. 5 people, 3 in the top, 2 at the bottom. Then at the end of the unit we have another loft, as you see here, and this loft easy will sleep 2 big adults in the top. And we have a nice another bedroom here, another queen bedroom that will sleep 2 people. That's the 40 duplex. And then we have another bathroom with a nice medicine cabinet, a toilet, and if you come over here and show them the shower, the place for the washer and dryers, they could put one in the back. So the 40 duplex, we said 2 bathroom, 2 bedroom, 2 queen bed, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, 2 loft area on the top. Each loft easy sleep 2 people on the top. That loft sleep 3. So if you say 3 plus 2, that's 5, and 4 at the bottom, easy I could sleep 9 adult in this 40 duplex. It's a beautiful floor plan. It's a nice installations. It's aluminum frame, dual coated, perfect destination. Come to Best RV and grab this 40 duplex at a price no one could match us in the state of California. You could see the link, you click on it, and that will bring you to the unit with pictures, photos, descriptions, phone numbers, email, call us. We'd love to answer all your questions.